What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to use the Microsoft Teams with the Claude. So for that the process is very simple, easy and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So let's dive into the video. So for that, open up the Claude application. That could be the web application, the desktop application, or any application that you're very okay with. Go to the plus icon, then go to the connectors option, into the add connector options, and then go to the browse connector option. Once you're in the browse connector option, a new menu will pop up. If you go ahead and search Teams, it won't show up. Nothing will show up actually, because there is no Microsoft Team available over here. There is no native application for the Microsoft Team, but there is a native application for Microsoft 360 which covers up this specific platform as well. So if you guys see it over here, there is a find meeting availability. One tool that is available for the Microsoft team, only one tool. And you guys can see that your company SharePoint, OneDrive, Outlook, and Teams. So what you guys actually have to do is just to click on this button, and what it will do, it will redirect you to a new page where you just have to log in with your official account of Microsoft. Once you do that and enter in the email, it will show you a sign that it's been connected. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.